Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun chit chat video. I've never done anything like this on my channel, so I'm excited to bring like new content and more videos that I can talk to you and interact with you guys. So please let me know if you want to watch like any videos that you're interested in. And I'm also going to be talking about a new foundation that I'm trying out. I'm not really going to be reviewing it, I'm just trying it out, so I'll be talking a little bit about it. I'm going to be talking about a couple of few products that I bought and a couple of products that I don't really use like that. If you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. So today I'm going to start with the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation. I've had this foundation for the longest. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. It contains natural coconut derivative. It's supposed to be luminous, lightweight, and buildable, and hydrating formula. So vamos a ver how this is. It's like this. And I just love the packaging. Look at that little girl. She's so cute. How cute is that? I think that's why I fell in love with it. So when you open it, you get this. You get a little mirror, which still has a little sticker. Then you get a little spongy thingy. Then you open it and it's like that. I swatched it, so that's why it's kind of dirty. Then you open it. There it is. So I'm just going to be applying that all over the face. And let's chat. Let me talk about what I did, I guess yesterday. Yesterday I went to Rite Aid. I got these nails. That's why yo estoy Lucia. Look at those nails. These are press-on nails. Like, hello. They don't even look like they're press-on nails. But yeah, I got them at a discount thanks to the lady. I don't know why. This is the second time I go to Rite Aid and she literally gives me a discount. The worker. I don't know if it's her Plenty card or she gives me employee discount, but that discount is good. These nails I think were like 7 something and I paid 5 something for them, so it's lit. I like the way it feels on the skin already. It smells good, really good. It smells like a mixture of coconut and like refreshing, so that's good. It feels nice and lightweight. It has coverage because it's covered, you know, I had a little bit of acne scars there, and here it's covered enough of it. And this sponge actually is pretty good. I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender. So yeah, so I went to Rite Aid. I got these nails. Then I'm gonna put my beauty blender in just for a little bit more maximum coverage. And I also got the lippy that I'm going to be using today in the video, which is the Melting Pout by CoverGirl. I went out with my baby yesterday to go out to eat. So I was like, let me stop at Rite Aid and get some press-ons. I haven't done my nails like in 6 or 7 years, like fake nails, you know. I've been more on the natural side because I worked at a pharmacy. I'm a pharmacy technician, so I worked at pharmacies and it kind of like wasn't helpful using fake nails. So that's one reason why I didn't apply fake nails. Another reason why was because, you know, you save money. I like this. It's kind of light for me, but you know, you can always add bronzer and darken it up a bit. I actually thought it was going to be darker. Like the box, it looks dark, you know, but it's light. I really like the way it feels on the skin. It is hydrating and I do see that it is illuminating, going on smoothly. It's not creasing like here. Some foundations I crease here like very quickly. So moving on, what I'm gonna do next, oh, my eyebrows. And I've been loving this Ka-Brow by Benefit, and it's in the number 5, and it's a cream gel brow. If guys don't know about this, this is amazing. The only reason why I purchased it is because I found it on Amazon for a cheap amount, and I did want to try it, so I was like, why not? And I've been loving it. Like, it's so easy to apply. And once you apply it, It's very easy to work with. Now with kids, you know, I have 2 girls, so I have to literally do my makeup quickly in the morning. The only time that I get to play around and take my time is this time at night when I'm recording. And let's talk about where I was at for the past 2 years, I guess. I've had my YouTube channel since 2014. I've been on and off with the videos, obviously. When I started my YouTube channel, I was at this new job, and that place had me working like a freaking slave. I was still doing the videos though. You know, I would stay up late, just like I do now, and I'll wake up even though I felt like shit because I would work 13, 14, 15 hours. Like, it was like that, like overtime. I mean, I wasn't complaining then because I was making money. It kind of took over my life, that job. On top of that, I got pregnant. So I was really tired at one point, and I was like, you know what, I cannot keep with this. I'm working too much. I had to stop making the videos because I was too tired from working and I was pregnant. So that's why I stopped making the videos. I think the last video I did while I was pregnant and no one knew was I was wearing like a black and white shirt. I had my daughter, I was uploading videos again. Then the competition started. This was around 2015. I started noticing like I need better quality videos. I was still using my Mac laptop to make videos. I stopped doing that until I got a camera. So my hubby gifted me my camera. I uploaded a video. I was wearing like a red outfit. If you watch my videos, then maybe you'll remember. I don't know, this was long ago, so you probably won't remember. I was gonna start uploading videos like crazy, and then me, like a dumbass, I left my laptop on the couch under a pillow, and my hubby by accident need it. Now you have a camera, but you don't have a laptop to edit the videos. So it was like, if it was not one thing, it was another. After that, I struggled to get the laptop fixed because I had to look for a place who could fix it because the damage that was made, it was a lot, so we had to like look for a specialist. So that took a while, and then I got pregnant again. So then it was like, okay. After all of that, finally my baby was born, my second baby was born, and I could finally do videos again. Yeah, that's the story. But I'm back with videos and I ain't going anywhere. I did the brows, they're nice and clean. I'm gonna go in with the eyes now, and I'm using this palette by Pure Cosmetics, and this is the Story Diaries, and it's a nice neutral palette, has nice browns and neutral tone, some nice shimmers down here with this color for the transition, and that's gonna go on the crease area. And I really like this palette. It's been my go-to ever since I got it in my BoxyCharm, and if you don't have BoxyCharm, I don't know what you are waiting for. I've been subscribed to the BoxyCharm monthly subscriptions since I started my YouTube channel back in 2014, and it's so worth it. Every penny that I've spent on that has been so worth it. Found out about brands that I've never knew before. I've gotten so many things that have been so useful, and I've used up basically everything that I've gotten in my BoxyCharm. I've used it. So I'm going to be taking this vintage highlighter. It's the color chocolate, diamond, and rose quartz. So it's really pretty. I guess I'll dip into both just to try it out. And apply that on the brow bone to highlight the brow bone. I'm going to take this nice rose gold color and apply that on the lid. I'm taking this brown color now, which is more like a burnt orange brown color, and applying that on the crease as well. I should have used a smaller brush. Let me switch the brush. Take this crease brush by Moda Pro. And I think I got this in my BoxyCharm too. And it's so good. Like, I swear, BoxyCharm is everything. So I'm actually going to darken the outer corner just a little bit because I feel like these two colors are like similar. And I'm using this color, which is Snazzy, and it's a dark brown. So I'm just going to be applying that on the outer V. Our favorite part, the eyeliner. I hate this part. Like, putting on makeup for years and I never get used to doing eyeliner. Like, I still get scared every time I apply it. Like, let me drink to that. I have a cup of wine. This little wine glass is so pretty. It says, girls, best friends, wine, and shoes. I don't drink wine like that, but shoes, yes. My daddy bought me this for my 26th birthday. This is NYX Cosmetics eyeliner, and it's a vinyl liquid eyeliner, and I love this eyeliner. So I'm going to be applying that on the lid, extending it a bit, and then winging it. I think that's everyone's scariest part. So now I'm gonna go in with my Tarteist, I don't know how you say that, but my mascara, and I'm just gonna be applying that on the top and bottom lashes. Eyelashes next, and I've been loving these lashes. These are the Dollar Lash Club lashes, and these are in Kylie, or named Kylie, and they're so fluffy and long and so cute. I really like these. These lashes are actually $1, and they're really, really good. And yo tengo my little nails now, so it's probably gonna be hard because I've never applied false things with nails before. I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to be using the Shade and Light palette. I'm going to be taking this middle color because obviously, what do I have here? Nothing. So I'm going to start contouring the face. For blush, I'm going to be using, this is Real Hers Fearless Be Limitless blush kit. And it has like this shimmery one and these two matte colors, and the shimmery one is like a pinkish one, and then you got a peach one and then a brown one. So I haven't been using this, and I've used it before and I really like this. So what I like to do is just like mix the colors together and apply that on my cheek. So it gives out a really, really pretty color on the cheeks. And I forgot to apply concealer, so I'll apply that next. Oh my god, I've been loving the NYX, what's it called? The NYX Awards. Oh my god, those videos are so, I've seen so many good ones. It's like, it's gonna be hard this year, like seriously, super hard, I know. Because there are so many good artists out there this year that are doing a lot of great content. Like, those videos are so nice. I was like, damn. I entered the brow benefit search. You had to recreate, if you guys don't know, you had to recreate one of, I think it was 4 techniques that they wanted you to recreate. So I did the bold and the angular, which was one of them, and the natural brow. I think that's my first time entering a contest like that. Like, so I'm excited. Fingers crossed, because it's 20 people that they choose. The top winner gets $50,000. So that is lit. I could use $50,000. If I make it to the 20, that is even like, I would be so grateful to make it to the top 20. So then I'm going to go in and set that. Also, I'm going to be using this Bronze Essentials Beauty Basic Bronzer, and I've been loving this. A little goes a long way with this. Like, this is so pretty. It's so pigmented. You don't need to be adding too much. Like, I'm not even going to go back in with it. I'm just going to use the same little bit that I took and apply it on both sides. I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and just blend that all in. After I do that, I'm going to go now underneath the eye with this brown color and apply it on the bottom lid to darken up that area. And then I'm going to be applying mascara right after. So I also wanted to ask you guys, not that I'm doing this video, and if you watch this video, I wanted to ask you guys, what is that you want to like see in my videos? What is it that you would like to see? If you want me to recreate any looks, if you want me to do something different, please let me know. Comment down below, because I make these videos for you to watch, for you to enjoy it. After I apply that, I'm going to go in with my highlighter. I'm going to be using the same highlighter that I used to highlight the brow bone. This is more of a corally color, and I don't know why I picked out this color. I was just in a rush. So I'm going to try and mix these two so that it can make like a more corally pinkish color. Let's see how it looks. So I'm going to apply this lippy, and it's Saint by Lime Crime. Okay, so I think that's it. Oh, let me apply setting spray. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope I spoke about things that were interesting. I hope you like this look. It was very off of the top of the head. I'm digging this lipstick, so remember, this is a custom color. I mixed two colors together. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.